Hey guys, I'm Steve. Welcome back to the channel where we talk about the joys of stock market investing and long-term dividend gain. If it's your first time stopping by the channel, hit that subscribe button. Trust me, you won't regret it. You're a returning subscriber. Welcome back. Guys, listen. A lot of things have been said about Elon Musk in recent news. His name has been floated all over, from him not supposedly paying attention to Twitter and being distracted, to his acquisition of Twitter, the ups and downs and getting the purchase completed. And today I want to talk a little bit about, I think honestly, 2023, with all of the chaos the market should be going through, or it's predicted to go through, with the Fed rate hikes, and you guys know the rest. I think it's very, very, very possible, just sitting here and reflecting on it, that Tesla could drop to an astronomical level in the market. Now, can I give you a price prediction? No. But I think it can go well under $150. And I'm going to give my opinion on it. So let's just jump in this video. At present, stock fell 3.86% today. It's Wednesday. Down to $186.92. Now, it's coming off of a 52-week low where it fell earlier, to heights of $177, right? Now, when the stock was around 220, 230, a lot of people started buying in. When I started buying in after this split that we just had, same day the split happened, I wound up buying in. I didn't think it was conceivable for the stock to get to 200. I thought it was going to be just Tesla taking off, like it always has. But the time and place that we're in right now, and the economic downturn, things are going to happen. And like I say, guys, in my other videos, this is just the tip of the iceberg. Companies are still coming in with kind of okay earnings. Some of them are coming in like retail. Retail was smashed today with a lot of bad earnings. But I mean, we got another year and a half at least of this. So it's safe to say that this stock right here, sitting at $186.92 presently, will not be here. It will not be at that time. Now, a lot of people may argue, hey, well, a lot of the whales are come in and buy Tesla, and, they won't let it go down that far. But if you know the stock, and a lot of investors, a lot of people that bought into Tesla still have the stock. A lot of people are buying into it, But Tesla's one of those stocks where, a certain type of investor will invest in that stock. Some of the things that I'm thinking about right now that may contribute to the price drop is just, how the people feel about Elon. Some of the stuff he's doing. He's in the public eye a lot, so it's a lot of judgment cast upon him. I'm not defending the man. I don't know him. But this Twitter thing, the restructure, and what he's doing is in the news like almost every day. Almost to the point where you get tired of hearing it. I mean, how much news can the man have every day in Twitter? His restructure, keep it real, guys, it's been chaotic so far. The restructuring, trying to get this business right. People are complaining that he sold shares of Tesla and all this. The man had to make the deal go through, guys. The man has to do a lot of restructuring. He's firing people, and he's bringing in some of his people from Tesla that knows his way of thinking and his way of working. The man is trying to make something big. I don't fault him for that. That's what business owners do. We try to improve what we improve upon what we created, or what we've purchased. So, I'll leave that alone. But as far as the stock, man, I can see the stock falling considerably under $150 because we don't know. And this is why. All it takes is one or two bad earnings calls or delivery misses in a row. And you know how it is. People will run from this stock like a burning house. They will. And am I selling? No, I just got into it and I caught myself late, and I told you in past videos, I've been kicking myself ever since. You guys have been giving me comments and you're telling me about, hey man, I've been had this stock since whenever, and I got so many shares of stock, don't ever sell it and this and that. I believe you, and if I knew what I knew now about the stock, and just the whole EV market, and I wasn't a detractor of it like I was in the past out of my own ignorance, I'd be where you guys are too. So I appreciate the encouragement. But I mean, I think the stock still has room to grow. The Tesla Semi just came out. The Optimus bot in the future, I don't want to speak on that. But I mean, my main thing with this stock and why I will continue buying this stock, and guys, just hear me out, is this. This stock right here has a lot of things to offer. It's a car company. It has trucks. You know, we don't even know the impact of the Tesla Semi, the Tesla Semi in the trucking industry yet. And we might not know 2 to 3 years down the line. Just the amount of money they save on fuel costs with the efficiency of this EV vehicle. If this thing comes into fruition and runs like it's supposed to run, sky's the limit with this company. We might be up for another 2 splits. Like they say, we might have another 2 splits by 2030. You know, and the thing is this with this stock. A lot of people say the stock is overvalued. Maybe so. But a lot of people got a price target of it. It's at 186. People got a price target of it of $240. So it's kind of like, you know, when the analysts talk sometimes, it's like, you know, people are judging on tomorrow. And that's what my investment is on tomorrow. Day after tomorrow, whenever. You know what I mean? I'm going to ride this thing till the wheels fall off. One of the things, like I told you in other videos I had, is being a long-term dividend investor. I don't care whether the market go up or down, because it doesn't matter. As long as I'm dealing with the dividends, this is a growth play for me. I think it's going to do well in the future. 10 years from now, I don't even think it'll touch the heights of being $86. Because you never know. Especially with Elon, you don't never know what he's going to do. You don't never know what he's going to come up with. So, I mean, I just figured, you know, today I'd share a little bit about that. It was on my mind earlier, and I was like, you know what, man? I mean, this stock could really fall. And we're going to separate the real from the unreal. When the stock go down, we'll see who keeps it and who runs from it. But, I mean, it's just a typical stock. Ain't no emotion attached to it, guys. But, like I said, I just want to share it. But do me a favor. Leave me a comment. Tell me what you think about what I said about Tesla. You think it to fall below $150? Think it's way below $150? Think about this. What if Tesla ran to $110 or $90? Man, I want to see how people would flood into that. Because I'm telling you, this is going to be one of those frontline leaders when we get into that bull market. Because, I mean, we're in the bear market right now. We just came out of one of the best bull markets in stock market trading history. And history shows when we go back into a bull market, after coming out of a bear market, it exceeds the next one. So I'm excited for the future, guys. Not with just this stock, a lot of other stocks that are going to be falling. You know what I mean? And I need you guys to keep your eyes peeled. Especially if you're a new investor, this is the perfect time to get in. You know? But as always, guys, you know, leave me a comment. Tell me what you think about Tesla. As always, I appreciate you spending the time with me. I love sitting here and talking to you guys. As always, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video.